Let's unbox the Enphase 600 amp consumption CTs for commercial sites. These CTs are to be paired with the Enphase IQ Gateway Commercial 2. Inside of the box, you'll find the installation instructions along with three 600 amp split core CTs. Each CT is rated for 600 amp and has an arrow printed on it that when the CT is installed around the conductor at the service entrance, the arrow shall always be pointed toward the load and away from the grid. The conductors on each CT are 13 feet in length and can be extended up to 400 feet. Follow the installation manual for guidelines on extending CTs. To monitor consumption on line 1, connect the white wire to the white C1 and the blue wire to the blue C1 terminal in the IQ Gateway Commercial 2. To monitor consumption on line 2, connect the white wire to the white C2 terminal and the blue wire to the blue C2 terminal. To monitor consumption on line 3, connect the white wire to the white C3 terminal and the blue wire to the blue C3 terminal. For successful installation, be sure to always follow the installation instructions that come inside of the box.